Yeah, we're just a few hours away from the start of this hearing, and you said it, with Hasan acting as his own attorney, no one knows exactly what to expect. But some of the survivors may end up facing tough questions from the very man that they believe tried to kill them.
When this Army major goes on trial today for allegedly murdering 13 fellow soldiers and civilians, he may not put on much of a defense. Major Nidal Hasan only plans to call 2 witnesses. 32 people survived the massacre at Fort Hood in 2009. And when prosecutors bring some of them to the stand, Hasan himself will be doing the cross-examination.
It is going to be very difficult. It'll be painful.
Survivors have waited 4 years to tell their story in court.
All of a sudden, like, you just hear Allah Akbar somewhere and just pow, pow, just shooting everywhere.
Retired soldier Mick Engel says he clearly remembers Hasan pointing a gun at him and pulling the trigger.
It felt like a baseball bat hit me right beside my neck, and then just blood went everywhere.
And while the physical scars are fading, unseen injuries linger.
Since the shooting, I don't know what happened, but my short-term memory is non-existing.
Hasan's former attorney says he's got a right to represent himself, even if survivors have to be subjected to his questions.
Their sensitivities on the issue, I think, are subordinate to his constitutional right to act as his own attorney.
Hasan has claimed he was protecting the Taliban from soldiers who would soon be deploying to fight them in Afghanistan. The judges ruled out that defense, so it remains to be seen how he'll defend his actions.
Well, since the shootings, Hasan has earned about $300,000 courtesy of the same government that's trying to convict him. Army officials tell us they're simply following the law and can't stop paying a soldier who has not yet been sentenced. If Hasan is convicted and sentenced, the judge could impose a fine, and so some of that money could go towards that.